Hey there, coffee lovers. If you're staring at that frustrating error 2 on your KitchenAid coffee maker from 2025, don't worry. We're going to fix it together in just a few simple steps. This error typically points to issues like a clogged filter, sensor problems, or a simple reset need. By the end of this video, you'll have your machine brewing fresh coffee again. Let's dive in. First things first, safety is key. Start by unplugging your coffee maker from the wall to avoid any electrical mishaps. Give it a minute or two to fully power down. This reset alone solves the problem about half the time. Once it's off, take a close look at the water reservoir. Error 2 often means there's a blockage or low water level, so make sure it's filled to the appropriate line and free of any debris. Next, grab a soft cloth and some mild soap to clean the brew basket and filter. Over time, coffee grounds and mineral buildup can cause sensors to misfire. Gently wipe down these areas, and if you have a descaling solution, run a quick cycle to remove any internal gunk. Now, plug the machine back in and try running a test brew. If error 2 persists, it's time for a full reset. Hold down the power button for 10 seconds while it's plugged in, then release and turn it on as usual. If that doesn't do the trick, check for any visible damage like cracked tubes or faulty connections. KitchenAid machines are built tough, but wear and tear happens. At this point, if you're still seeing the error, it might be worth contacting KitchenAid customer support. They can guide you through warranty options or recommend a repair. There you have it. With these steps, you should be back to enjoying your perfect cup of joe. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home appliance fixes. Drop a comment below if you have questions, and happy brewing.